Welcome everyone to the Simon Says Stamp Card Kit Reveal and Inspiration for our new kit called Love Always. This is Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I'm going to do a quick walkthrough to show you all the contents of this kit. And I'll start off with our 6x8 stamp set called Love Always. It has a lot of great messages, some small fonts, and also some nice Christina Werner handwritten. It also has some really great vintage flowers and also a bird. And at the bottom, there is a music strip that you can add to your cards. You get two stamps in this kit. So you also get a 6x6 cling stamp, and this is the rose lattice background. It's a really fine detailed stamp that you can stamp your backgrounds onto some of the beautiful cardstock from the kit. Our pattern papers this month come from Authentique, and this is their romance collection. There are 8 double-sided sheets, and I'll flip through these real quick. There are some really nice fine patterns. They all have colors of pink, red, black, and a vintage look to the background. Some really great stripes that you'll see later used in these cards, and also a really nice sheet of full background with some flowers. Also beautiful damask and some brick, polka dots with a pink background, and also a pink-looking wood. And the last sheet is ones that you can cut apart and add to your cards that resemble vintage Valentines. We have a couple jars of goodies for you. This first one is clear detail embossing powder, so that's a really nice fine embossing powder. And something very new, this is called Unicorn Dust, and it is a Prismaglitter, and it's really a beautiful, nice prismatic color. So it looks white, but the reflection of each of the granules is in a rainbow color. Another great item that we have are 3 of the Simon Says stamp. This is 100-pound cardstock, and these are pre-folded note cards, ready to go for your card making. We are also including 3 metallic envelopes, and the first one is ivory, silver, and cotton candy. And these have the peel-off strip on the inside, so you don't have to lick them to seal them. I'll turn them in the light so you can see that nice sheen of metallic finish. Another item that we've included is We Are Memory Keepers floss, and this is 3 colors of embroidery floss, and there are over 8 yards in each color. This is a great string to wrap around your cards and tie bows. Our cardstocks this month are Cotton Candy, Ivory, Dull Pink, and then Nina Desert Storm cardstock. So that is our Love Always card kit from Simon Says Stamp for February 2019. I do have some inspiration for you. This first card I created using that really beautiful pattern paper, and then I die cut a heart and did some stamping and added a heart and also a message. And down at the bottom, I created a hand-cut scallop edge out of that striped paper. Cindy Norberg did something really fun where she used that pink wood green paper and then she did her own graffiti as if it's a fence with personal greetings. And finally, I have another card from Cindy Norberg where she stamped those flowers and put them around her message in the center and used a really nice yellow as her background edging. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our card kit Love Always from Simon Says Stamp. And as always, thanks so much for watching.